Hey, welcome to Watson's Wagons. Going to do a quick video on just a simple fluid exchange. We're not dropping the pan. I'm talking about the transmission, by the way. Just going to suck some fluid out, put some fluid in, suck some more fluid out, put some stuff in after I cycle through the gears. Just doing a refresh on the fluid, okay? So I'm not going to do a full pan drop, filter change, the whole thing, all right? And because I'm getting ready to go on a road trip, and you know, I just want a little bit cleaner stuff in there. So we're gonna mark a barrel here for 3 gallons at 1 gallon increments. We're gonna suck out a gallon. We're gonna put in a gallon, shift through the gears of the engine run, circulate some fluid, repeat the process. Anyhow, the service interval on this truck's about 30,000 miles for a fluid exchange. And I forget what it is, 80-ish, 70, I don't know, whatever, for the filter. But I got 130,000 miles on this truck. Transmission still runs good. And I don't dog on it. I don't put heavy loads on it. I don't mash my frickin' potatoes and try to be cool and all that. I want to take care of my baby. So I'll show you what I'm doing. This is not going to get all the dirty stuff out, but it's going to get me in better shape. Now, so my long trip to the airport, which isn't long, but the highest temperature I've ever gotten on the transmission is 196 degrees. And we're going to see if we can get some temperature drop out of this fluid change. So stay tuned. But anyhow, here's what we're going to use today. I have 3 gallons of Max Life multi-vehicle automatic transmission fluid. It's full synthetic and it meets the General Motors specs. I have an oil pump extractor or slash extractor, and this will hook up to my vehicle battery. I've got a bucket that I can see through, and I poured it 1 gallon at a time with water so I can mark where my 1, 2, and 3 gallon locations are. 3 gallons is the capacity of this system. I got a clamp to hold the hose in place for this. A little bit of paper towel, and of course I have cardboard underneath the vehicle just in case I have spillage. I want to be able to pick it up. So let me set the camera up and let's get started. New blood. All right, that's round 2. So in between cycles, I'm getting the vehicle started after I fill it up. So I'm sucking out a gallon, putting in a gallon, and then I am running the engine and cycling through the gears just to get things moving in the transmission. Now, we're not going to get all of the funk out. All right, even with the brake, I will give a little acceleration just to try to force fluids. And you can tell the fluid's moving, the temperature's rising. I guess what my goal was is to try to suck up as much good fluid into the transmission from the pan while it's pushing out the bad fluid. And it's gonna mix, but at least I'll have a, I don't know, 70%, 80% clean stuff in there when it's all said and done. Yeah, you can definitely see better color in the fluid. Okay? Red is what we want. All right, let's go for one more draw and one more fill, and I'll be done. Okie doke, artichoke. All right, we're gonna put the skinny section all the way in as far as we can go. I love this pump, man. Pretty good pump. Hopefully that doesn't, all right, let's see how this last draw looks. And here we go. So, last draw. Whatever dark stuff we exchanged in there, we're getting out. But you can see light through it. That's better than it was. I just don't have time right now to drop the pan, change the filter, and, you know, do a proper flush on it. And on this vehicle, I don't know why, but the return line is not here up top like it is on the older trucks. So this is the next best thing for me. And I know that I'm sucking some good stuff out of here and getting rid of it, but I'm also getting rid of some bad stuff. So who knows what the percentage of clean fluid is opposed to the dirty stuff. But I'm feeling better about my road trip coming up. Yeah. See through that now. Better. Anyways, so that's what's going on with the truck. This is not the 100% proper way to do it, but it is what it is. I should have done this every 30,000 miles and I didn't. It's a 30,000 mile requirement. I got 130,000 miles on the truck, and the truck still runs great, travels great, never dogged on it, you know, never hauled like super heavy stuff and really tore up the tranny, but I think she's going to perform a lot better now. Doesn't slip, none of that business. So maybe I got lucky. Maybe the truck was built in the middle of the week and the people weren't in a rush to get home, but this will hold me over until I get back from my daughter's graduation, and then we'll do a proper filter and fluid exchange. Anyways, thanks. 3 gallons out, 3 gallons in. I gotta watch this spigot right here. It's like blood. We'll get her done. That looks good. All right, go take her for a test drive, see how she does. And that's it for this. So if you're in a rush, you just got to do a quick fluid change the best that you can with limited resources and tools. This will buy you some time. All right, 3 gallons we pulled out. Nasty, nasty, nasty.